If you want to unlink your DoorDash account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu in the top corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Access linked accounts. Look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Social Media Accounts. This section will show you all the accounts connected to your DoorDash profile. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find a Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. Tap on it and you should see an option to unlink or disconnect. Confirm your choice to unlink your Facebook account. Step 5. Verify the unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to check the linked accounts section again to ensure that Facebook is no longer listed. This confirms that your accounts are successfully unlinked. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your DoorDash account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to DoorDash support.